Welcome to our channel. Join us as we celebrate the vibrant and diverse talents of our community. The CSF Association, in partnership with the Tours Cities Municipality, organized a spectacular multicultural event on Friday, June 7, 2024. The event was aimed at showcasing the diverse talents of the vibrant communities.
Alors on est ici pour Réveille Ton Talent, un projet né entre deux Covid. On venait de sortir d'une première et longue période de confinement et on avait envie de sortir de chez soi, de rencontrer de vrais gens comme nous. La CSF avait été sollicitée pour ouvrir le local et mettre en place au plus vite des activités avec les enfants. Les mamans s'investissaient dans l'association et on avait été émerveillés des talents cachés de tous qui s'exprimaient. L'idée de valoriser tous ces talents.
This event was a fantastic opportunity for everyone to share their cultural heritage and talents, making it a day to remember. Event highlights: culinary contest. Cook simple and good at a low cost. Participants represented their countries with traditional dishes and desserts. Performance contests. Talented individuals showcased their skills in dance, music, singing, theater, and more. Prizes. Exciting rewards were given to the best performances in each category. The event concluded with mesmerizing traditional music from each represented country, creating an unforgettable atmosphere. Let's celebrate diversity together. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please follow us and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.